YouTube just dropped some huge news. And if you're a creator, this changes everything. They're rolling out AI tools, live stream upgrades, podcast features, and even ways to protect your face from deepfakes. This is wild. Let's break it all down. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, YouTube just had their big Made on YouTube 2025 event, and honestly, they announced more updates than I was expecting. Doesn't matter if you're into shorts, live streams, podcasts, or music, there's something in here that's gonna help you grow. Let's dive in. First up, AI is officially built into YouTube. With VO3 Fast, you can create backgrounds, props, or even add motion to your shorts. Completely free. They're adding Edit with AI, which can take your raw clips and instantly spit out a draft video. And check this out. Speech to song. Basically, it can turn something you say in your video into a goofy soundtrack. Imagine cracking a joke and YouTube auto-remixes it into a beat. That's actually crazy. The studio's getting some love too. There's this new thing called Ask Studio, basically an AI coach that gives you channel insights and content ideas. A/B testing for titles is finally happening. So if you can't decide between two titles, YouTube will figure out which one pulls more clicks. They're also upgrading auto-dubbing and the inspiration tab. And here's a big one, a likeness detection tool. So if someone tries to use AI to copy your face in their video, you'll actually get notified. Finally, some protection for creators. Now let's talk about live content, podcasts, and music. Live streaming is getting its biggest update ever. More ways to connect with your chat, reach new viewers, and make money while live. For podcasters, YouTube's making it super easy to turn your episodes into clips or shorts. And if you only have audio, no problem. VO can literally generate a video for you. And musicians, you guys are getting countdowns, pre-saves, plus ways to drop exclusive content for your top fans. Think behind-the-scenes clips, thank you messages, or even special merch drops. Creators doing sponsorships or selling stuff, this one's for you. You'll now be able to drop links directly inside shorts. And YouTube shopping is expanding big time with AI helping you tag products faster. So yeah, if you're into brand deals or selling merch, this is going to make life a lot easier. So what does all this mean? YouTube's making it clear. AI isn't here to replace creators. No, it's here to make our lives easier. They want us focusing on ideas, storytelling, and connecting with our audience, while AI handles the boring stuff. I'm personally hyped about A/B title testing and the live streaming upgrades, but I want to hear from you. Which new feature are you most excited about? Drop it in the comments. Alright, that's the breakdown. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I'll be covering all the YouTube updates you need to stay ahead. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future of YouTube belongs to us, the creators.